Craig Geist, a man desperate for permit. Hey Craig, what do you have to do to get a permit to get on the gorge?
What don't you have to do to get a permit on the gorge?
What are you doing?
Well, apparently these here steps get loose after contractions and expansions. So what you got is you got about 580 steps. Each step's got 4 bolts. That's somewhere over 2,000 bolts. So we got to get down there and tighten up all these nuts.
I think you're nuts.
I like the boat.
Bill Tanner's slave labor. Craig Geist running Oceana.